Welcome to Learn Kario G.
The wheels of the watermelon bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the watermelon bus go round and round all through the farm. The seeds in the watermelon bus go flip, flip, flop, flip, flip, flop, flip, flip, flop. The seeds in the watermelon bus go flip, flip, flop all through the farm. The juice in the watermelon bus goes splash, 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 splash. The juice in the watermelon bus goes splash, splash, splash all through the farm. The kids on the watermelon bus go yum, 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 yum. The kids on the watermelon bus go yum, yum, yum all through the farm. The driver of the watermelon bus says hop on in, hop on in, hop on in. The driver of the watermelon bus says hop on in all through the farm. The farm animals by the bus go move back, quack, move back, quack, move back, quack. The farm animals by the bus go move back, quack all through the farm. The wheels of the watermelon bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the watermelon bus go round and round all through the farm.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning songs like this.